For reading this week, when you click on the link, this is what will come up. We are in week 1 of Scholastic Learn at Home, grades 1 and 2. You want to scroll down, and here is day 1, which is what we're doing today, Monday. You have 2 stories to read. One is Diary of a Spider, and one is A Spiderling Grows Up. Diary of a Spider is a fiction story. That means it is a made-up story that has a setting and characters. A Spiderling Grows Up is a non-fiction story, which means that it gives information. What you will want to do is press Take Me There. When you press Take Me There, then it will take you to these options. You can watch the story for Diary of a Spider, read the book, A Spiderling Grows Up. Those 2 options are right here as well. Then there is some word work you can do under Puzzlers, a word match, fact or fiction, and which came first. And then you can dive deeper where you do something called Explore the Web and you meet the creators. Remember that reading and practicing your reading is super important for your learning. So when you're done with this, you can also read books that you have in your house and use Epic Books to read and practice your reading. Enjoy!